Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today in our workshop we've got this Mercedes AMG C43 in for an Armytrix exhaust upgrade. But before we get stuck into any of the work, let's find out what the exhaust sounds like now before we get started. That sounds pretty good, but we're pretty sure we can do better. So let's get it up on the ramp and get this Armytrix upgrade underway. So we've just about got the stock exhaust off, so it's time to get the new one on the car. This Armytrix is a Valvetronic system. That means if you want the car in a bit more of a reserved mode, then you can have it a little bit quieter, push a button and do just that. Closing the valves reduces some of the noise from the exhaust. However, if you want to drive a bit more enthusiastically and make it just a little bit louder, then pushing another button will do that too. The new Armytrix exhaust is going to give the C43 a boost of around 15 brake horsepower and 17 Newton meters of torque. But the most important thing is that it weighs a whopping 4.8 kilograms less than the stock exhaust. The new Armytrix exhaust is all installed and all wired up, so I think the thing we've all been waiting for is to find out exactly what this sounds like now. So, let's hit it. Doesn't that sound absolutely incredible? And if you're ready for an upgrade for your car, then give us a call on 01789 774444, email info@viezu.com to speak to one of our team about the amazing range of Armytrix exhaust upgrades we have available right now.